final round. 2 trucks. One man leaves with $20,000 cash. And then some.
And then some.
And then some. Man. Oh boy.
Grimace does it.
It does
Grimace
get down.
Is fast.
It'd be cool if Crazy Horse won though. That's 3 different winners, all 3 races.
This could be our first diesel win.
I know,
well.
it's another big difference.
I honestly never thought the diesels would ever have a chance.
It's insane.
So the fact that Crazy Horse is like making these licks is pretty impressive.
I mean, don't get me wrong, that's a pro mod with a diesel engine in it.
Yeah, but that's
still a diesel.
It's a diesel.
It is.
Diesel does usually break.
Probably a 7.3 like what's in our tow truck if I was to guess.
Probably same combo.
Same thing, turbo and all.
Same injectors. All right, here we go.
Oh boy.
What is it?
Crazy Horse by a truck.
Crazy Horse!
Oh! The diesel!
First diesel win. Let's go down there. We got.
No way!
Check the tape, bud. Check the tape.
Roll it back.
That was tight.
Jimmy, who got him?
Crazy Horse. Crazy Horse by half a truck.
Crazy Horse by half a truck.
Yeah!